And welcome back. Let's read a story called Airplane today by Anne Carey, and it is about different kinds of airplanes. An airplane is one kind of aircraft. A pilot flies it. An airplane has wings and an engine. Check out that cool airplane. Look at the bottom of it. Does it have wheels? Where do you think the pilot could land that kind of airplane? Look at these aircraft. Which one is an airplane? What do you think? The one on the top in red, the middle one, or the bottom? I think you're right. I think the middle white one definitely is an airplane. What's the one on top? Helicopter. And the bottom? Hot air balloons. Good job. Airplanes come in different sizes. Some have one pair of wings. Airplanes can even have 3 pairs of wings. How many pairs of wings does each of these airplanes have? Count and see. The Wright brothers were the first to fly an airplane. They made an airplane in 1903. The first flight lasted 12 seconds. It was a short flight, but it was long enough. The Wright brothers had flown. Very exciting. Airplanes were rare at first. Soon more people began to fly airplanes. People went to flying schools to learn how to fly. In time, people started airlines. Passengers paid a fare to fly in an airplane. Flying was the fastest way to go places. I wonder how many of you have ridden in an airplane before. They're pretty fun. Airplanes carried mail, too. The United States began its first airmail route in 1918. Airmail routes went from coast to coast. Trains also took mail from coast to coast, but airplanes were faster. A pilot's clothes have changed over time. Today's pilot wears different kinds of clothes from the pilot in the 1920s. So if you look at the big picture, here's a pilot from the 1920s. Let's compare that with a pilot today. What differences do you see? The Wright brothers had to lie down to fly their first airplane. Today, pilots can sit in a chair in the cockpit to fly an airplane. Would you dare to fly a plane? Take a look at all of the buttons and knobs and levers inside the cockpit of an airplane. It's amazing. All right, thanks everybody. I will see you next time.